Hi students, third chapter algebra, exercise 3.12, sixth sum. See that one. From a group of 2x squared, black bees, square root of half of the group went to a tree. Again, 8 ninth of the bees went to the same tree. The remaining two got caught up in a fragrant lotus. How many bees were there in total? Here, from a group of 2x squared, black bees given. That is, a total number of black bees equal to 2x squared. We want to find x. Okay. Then 2x squared, we want to find total bees. Okay. And given square root of half of the group went to a tree. Now, given total number of bees equal to 2x squared. Total 2x squared minus square root of half of the total number of bees went to the tree. அதனால் subtract பண்ணிடுறோம். எப்படி square root of half of the tree means 1 by 2 2x squared. And also again 8 ninth of the bees went to the same tree. That means minus 8 by 9 2x squared. The remaining 2 bees only is there. Okay, equal to 2. But 2x squared cancel. We get root of x squared minus multiply 16x squared by 9 equal to 2. But 2x squared root x squared value x minus 16x squared by 9 equal to 2. Okay, x squared term 2x squared minus x squared by 9 minus x equal to 2. LCM, taking LCM, 9 2s are 18x squared minus 16x squared by 9 minus x equal to 2. Subtract 2x squared by 9 minus x plus 2 go to that side, minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now taking LCM, 2x squared minus 9x minus 18 divided by 9, 9 go to that side 0. Now 2x squared minus 9x minus 18 equal to 0. Now factorize 2 into minus 18, 2 into minus 18 minus 36. Next here want minus 9. Okay, want to find two numbers. 12 into 3 36 minus 12 plus 3 minus 9 minus 12 into 3 minus 36. Already I told இந்த ரெண்டு பிளேஸும் மைனஸாக இருந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக பிக்கர் நம்பர் சைன் மைனஸாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, பிக்கர் நம்பரோட சைன் வந்து மைனஸாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஃபார்முலா மாதிரி கூட நீங்கள் ஞாபகத்தில் வச்சுக்கலாம். நவ் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 2 தென் டிவைடட் பை 2 கேன்சல் 6. Here minus 6 can be written as x minus 6, 3 by 2 can be written as 2x plus 3. Okay, now x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 6, 2x plus 3 equal to 0, but 2x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 2. Negative not possible. Total number of bees, total number of bees 2x squared, that is 2 into 6 squared, 2 into 36, 72. Okay, now see the seventh sum. Music is being played in two opposite galleries. Two opposite galleries with a certain group of people. In the gallery, a group of 4 singers were singing, and in the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. The two galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meter. Where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? One hint given. The ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distances. Okay, now first gallery have 4 singers, second gallery have 9 singers. See that one. I will take first gallery the 4 singers, second gallery 9 singers. The distance between two galleries 70 meter given. Okay, 70 meter. Now where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? Now I take this point A. Okay, a person stand here, I will take this point is A. Okay, now I will take this value x, total value 70. அப்போ this value is 70 minus 6. ஓகே, மொத்தம் 70 மீட்டர் இருக்குது. இங்கே ஒரு பர்சன் நிற்கிறான். நின்னா அந்த வாய்ஸை வந்து இந்த கேலரியிலேருந்தும் இந்த கேலரியிலேருந்து அவன் கேட்கணும். இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து மொத்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எனக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது தெரியாது, அதனால் நான் எக்ஸ்ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். இந்த மொத்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் 70னால இந்த பேலன்ஸ் என்ன இருக்கும்? 70 minus 6 இருக்கும். ஓகே, நவ் ஒன் ஹிண்ட் given, the ratio of the sound intensity, that is 4/9. Okay, 4/9 equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distances. The square of the ratio of the corresponding distances. Ratio means divide. Okay, now x by 70 minus 6 whole square. X square divided by 70 minus 6 whole square. Square of the ratio. Okay, upon taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Now also square root on both sides. Okay, now x square square root x, 70 minus 6 square root 70 minus 6. Here plus or minus 2/3. This one is plus or minus 2/3. First take plus 2/3. இப்போ x by 70 minus 6 equal to 2/3. Cross multiply 3x equal to 140 minus 2x. Minus 2x go to that side, plus 2x. Okay, now 5x equal to 140. X equal to 140 by 5 equal to 28. Next take x by 70 minus x equal to minus 2/3. Okay, cross multiply 3x. Here minus 140 plus 2x. Plus 2x go to that side, minus 2x. X, subtract this value, x equal to minus 140. Not possible. Okay, x equal to 28. Okay, the distance of the person from Four Fingers Gallery, that is Four Fingers Gallery distance x. Okay, அப்போ x equal to 28 meter. The distance of a person from Nine Fingers Gallery, a person from Nine Fingers Gallery equal to 70 minus 6. That is 70 minus 6, 70 minus 28 equal to 42 meter. Okay, 42 meter. Next sum, there is a square field with whose side is 10 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in its center, leaving a gravel path all round the flower bed. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling path is rupees 3, rupees 4 per square meter respectively is rupees 364. Find the width of the gravel path. Width of the gravel path. See the diagram. This one is a flower bed. Okay, this one is a square field. This one is a square field. This one is a square flower bed. Okay, in the square field side 10 meter given. Square field side 10 meter given, but this one is 10. Okay, flower bed side not given, then I will take x. Okay, so width, we want to find the width of the graveling path, that means I will take w. Okay, now given side of the square field equal to 10 meter. Area of the flower bed equal to, area means square area x square. Cost of flower bed 3x square, rupees 3 given. Okay, flower bed cost rupees 3 and graveling path rupees 4. 3x square, I will take equation number 1. Area of the graveling the path. Okay, area of the graveling path, that means we want to find this area. Find this area means என்ன பண்ணோம், இந்த டோட்டல் ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீல்டில் ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சி இந்த ஏரியாவையும் நம்ம சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா இந்த ஏரியா கிடச்சிடும் இல்லையா. எனக்கு கிராவலிங் பாத்தோட ஏரியா வேணும், இந்த ஏரியா எனக்கு வேணும். இந்த ஏரியா வேணும்னா என்ன செய்ய போகிறேன், இந்த மொத்த ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீல்டோட ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறேன். இந்த ஏரியாவை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண போகிறேன். பண்ணனா இந்த இடையில இருக்க ஏரியா கிடச்சிரும். தட் இஸ் 10 square minus 6 square. Okay, this one is 10 square inside x square. அப்போ 10 square minus 6 square. Area of the graveling the path equal to 10 square minus 6 square. Cost of graveling the path equal to 4 rupees given, then 4 into 10 square minus 6 square. Okay, now total cost, what is the value given? Rupees 364 given. Total cost, then 3x squared, first equation 3x squared, Second equation 4 into 10 squared minus x squared equal to 364. Okay, இப்போ 3x squared multiplied by 4, 4 into 100 minus 4x squared equal to 364. இப்போ 3x squared minus 4x squared multiply 400, go to that side, minus 364 equal to 0. Subtract minus x squared, subtract plus 36 equal to 0, minus x squared plus 36, go to that side, minus 36, cancel, x squared equal to 36. அப்போ x equal to root 36 plus or minus 6. Okay, x means the side of the flower bed, then x equal to positive, x equal to 6, x equal to minus 6 not possible. Okay, now we want to find width of the gravel path. Width of the gravel path means first we want to find the what is the total distance w plus x plus w equal to 10. இந்த வேல்யூ டிஸ்டன்ஸும் இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா? இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் 10, இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸு w plus x plus 10. இப்போ x கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம், சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணோம்னா w கிடச்சிரும், அதுதான் எழுத போகிறேன். அப்போ w plus x plus w equal to 10. அப்போ 2w plus x value 6 equal to 10. அப்போ 2w equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4. w equal to 4 by 2, cancel 2. w equal to 2. இப்போ width of the gravel path equal to 2 meter. Okay. Next see the next sum. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeter and its perimeter is 56 centimeter. Find the length of the smallest side. Length of the smallest side. See that one. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 25 centimeter and its perimeter 56 centimeter. Find the length of the smallest side. Okay, now draw one triangle. Okay, hypotenuse 25 given, perimeter 56 given. I will take this one is a x, y. Okay, given hypotenuse 25 centimeter, perimeter 56 centimeter. This one is a right angle triangle. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus y squared equal to 25 square. So hypotenuse squared equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So x squared plus y squared equal to 25 square. Okay, next given 56 perimeter. Perimeter means sum of the sides equal to 56. அப்போ x plus y plus 25 equal to 56. Okay, அப்போ x plus y equal to 56 minus 25, 31. y equal to 31 minus 6. I will take equation number 2. Okay, see that one. First equation x squared y squared equal to 25 squared. Second equation y equal to 31 minus 6. Substitute second equation in 1. Okay, substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. இப்போ x squared plus y equal to 31 minus x whole square equal to 25 square. அப்போ x squared plus a minus b whole square formula. A square means 31 square, b square means x squared minus 2 into 31 into x. 2 into 31, 62. 62x equal to 25 squared, 625. அப்போ x squared plus x squared 2x squared minus 62x, 31 squared 961 plus 625, go to that side, minus 625 equal to 0. But 2x squared minus 62x, subtract this value, 336 equal to 0. Okay, 2 table common, then divided by 2. X squared minus 31x plus 168 equal to 0. We get one quadratic equation, then factorize 168 minus 31. Okay, 168 பெரிய நம்பராக இருக்கிறதுனால LCM மெத்தட் போட்டுக்கலாம். ஓகே, போட்டோம்னா LCM மெத்தடில் 5 நம்பர் கிடைக்குது. இந்த 5 நம்பரை நம்ம பிரிக்கணும். ஓகே, see that one. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 7. 24 minus 24 minus 7 minus 31. ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன், இந்த பிளேஸில் மட்டும் மைனஸ் வந்துச்சுன்னா கண்டுபிடிக்கிற ரெண்டு நம்பரும் கண்டிப்பாக மைனஸ். ஓகே, அப்போ ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணி ஆகணும். minus 24 minus 7 minus 31. minus 24 into minus 7, 168. Okay, this one is x square coefficient 1. Then write x minus 24, x minus 7 equal to 0. x minus 24 equal to 0, x equal to 24. x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 7. x equal to 24 substitute in y. y equal to 31 minus x. இப்போ 31 minus 24 equal to 7. x equal to 7 means y equal to 31 minus 7 equal to 24. x value 24 means y equal to 7. x equal to 7 means y equal to 24. We want to find the length of the smallest side. ஓகே, இந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூலையும் ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் சைடு வேணும். ஒன்று x24 இருந்தால் y7 இருக்குது, x7 இருந்தால் y24 இருக்குது. அப்போ ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் வேல்யூ கண்டிப்பாக என்னது, எதை எடுத்தாலும் 7 தான். அப்போ இந்த length of the smallest side equal to 7 centimeter. We get the answer. Okay, thank you students.